Why hooks were introduced in React. So this is day 8 of our React interview series in which we'll be talking about why hooks were introduced in React. So before hooks, React component were mainly written using class component. So let me take you to an example. As you can see here, we have this class counter that is extending the React component, and we have to use this state. This works properly, but the issue was we had to use this here, and also the logic between component were difficult because related code was scattered, making component hard to read and maintain. That's why we had the issue that is hard to understand. And second one was that logic reuse was hard because of the component were scattered. So the React came up with one solution, that is hooks. Hooks allows us to use state inside normal function. So basically we don't have to create some classes, and we can just use the function. Inside that we can create that hook. So let's take one example first. As you can see here, we have this function that is counter, and in which we have defined this use state that is constant set count. I'll be explaining this use state in the next video. And then we have this return, and we are just returning that state that is count, as you can see here. So we don't have to worry about the classes, this thing, and everything was in the same function. So that's how the hooks were introduced. So in the next video we'll be talking about state hooks, context, effect, performance. So follow for more such videos.